And we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is Warrior Funnels from Cindy Donovan. And it's a done-for-you affiliate marketing funnels. Let's take a look inside. I like to start at the finish, which is, I think, as I just a second ago looked at the price, $25.66. So as they say, less than the price of a pizza instead of the $29.97 that they could be charging for this kind of stuff. 3 different funnel websites with the products, sales pages, follow-ups, delivery, support, ongoing management, ready to go with a few clicks. This is the page here. So everything's all set for you. Let's go through this. Lead capture page, bridge offer page, download page, upsell page, second upgrade, white label add-on. These are all offers, back-end offer, automated delivery, email follow-ups, 30 days of follow-ups, and ongoing promos with your affiliate links in every email. And there's 3 of these. So you can see that this is going to be a done-for-you business in a box. So like they say, others charge $3,000 for this kind of thing. Cindy Donovan, you're going to love her Australian accent. I'm going to skip right past it because you'll check this out. The link is in the video description, by the way. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. And then you click the product box, and it'll take you right here to this page that we're at right now. So let's just quickly follow through. And so they have a bit about all the different things that are there. Automated emails, 30 days of emails. Here you go. Connect with your Warrior Plus, request the product, activate your built-in promo tools. It's really that easy. And they've got the emails set up, and they're going to get you people into it the whole 9 yards. Here we go. All 3 sites are live in a few minutes from now. So let's scroll to the bottom. I'll let you read through all the blah, blah, blah of everything exactly that's included here. Oh, we went too far. We need to see that part, $25.66. Just like I said, bonuses included, $25.66, and it's going up every, it's on a dime sale kind of thing that goes up. Here we go. It's going up in a couple hours. So check the link, click the link in the video description. Let's see if I can just go right back up and go bam to where we were. Look at this. Funnel, live in minutes, AI tools for the follow-ups, built-in traffic, earn commissions, multiple income streams, weekly support, Warrior funnels, and the whole thing is all of this here. And I'll leave that right there. So click the link in the video description and go check out Warrior Funnels from Cindy Donovan. It's the #1 selling offer today as we speak. So check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. The link is in the video description. Check it out.